know say Patricia can backflip and stop there. Stress me out. Stress my lights out.
Oh, look what you've done to me. Oh.
You know, Chris? Remember when we used to come with all the things in my neck here? I'm gonna ask you questions over and over again. And you still give me the same answers. So the thing is where you never know is when me get pregnant, me start dream things. And me afraid to come to you. You know why? Because it make me feel like say me I'm mad.
Yeah. It's not like me I say my work more important than you. A long time I want to say it to you, but me just never know how.
Long time. When it's a long time, I mean a long time like last week, long time. Because me ear voice in my ears I say, I'm already for tell her when she find out. I tell her, oh wait. I never mean that's alright.
Yeah, and you made that talk about. My father did a reason, and he might tell me say, he feel like at the time for me tell you the truth. But me did I say to him say, I don't feel like I say it to you yet, because the truth is, me think say when I tell you, and if I did tell you from them time, you would have left.
So who tell you say I'm not gonna leave you now?
Well, at least I know I'm tell you the truth.
I want to tell you something, Chris. If that's your real name. Wait, your real name is Chris, what you right?
Babe, apart from a job, I have no other secret.
So you work at Water Commission for true?
Yeah, babe. The agency got a job for me. That's my side job.
What else is your side job? Selena your side job too? Or she work at Water Commission? Wait, she agent too? Oh, so the two are just secret agenting together. Oh, that.
Alright, I'm not supposed to tell you this, but Celine is her agent as well. And she is my co-worker. There is nothing between me and her.
So that means Cecily or search me too. Okay. Yeah, no let me think about it. So if she actually didn't like you like that, then she gonna take me out because she want agent. Oh, you man, you protect me well. Love that.
Listen, Celine not do none of that. Whether or not you believe it, she respect the relationship we have. So she not cross the line.
Well, so you know what about say. It's giving besties.
Babe, listen to me carefully. Normally, we have to get permission from the agency to disclose information like this, who our true identity is. And may I tell you,
Stop right there, so. Don't go on like I tell me nothing. Find out, sir.
alright, may I tell you now. And there's a whole lot more. But me I gotta tell you, and you have to keep it yes, so.
Mama tell you we're posing the Chris. You said you have to get permission, alright? So you couldn't get permission from me last year?
No, I couldn't get it last year. Because I did a deal with a situation We're connected to you.
To me? I was a suspect in a crime?
Not you directly. You were linked by association. Your cousin.
I can't go by the Rachel at about. And that the girl go to church every Sunday and she fast and pray. Me know she not do nobody nothing.
Your auntie way you know like. Fear pitney.
Oh, that the crisis woman there? Andrew? My favorite cousin? Are you kill Andrew? So, when I meet you, I was on assignment. There's some targets. And there's some baits.
No, not an adjustment.
So, when you realize I'm related to Andrew, I will come part of the assignment.
Yeah. I say it now.
So, I'm for say it. I'm gonna ask you a question. Am I still your assignment?
No. We are talking about Patsy.
No, I need to find out because me want to know if when you come on my yard, you come on my yard for me, or you come to find Andrew, or you come to find one of the little pitney them. It's a serious question. You didn't think that me a traffic the little pitney them too?
Patsy, we're never sure.
So I was a part of your human trafficking investigations.
Yes, Patsy. Your cousin did involve. Your cousin did a traffic them enough. And him come in your yard. So what you expect?
What I expect? I expect the man who I deal with for trust me.
Patsy, our relationship never serious at that time. And you know, trust take time. You don't come overnight.
Trust. That word there. You know, I always wonder, all of this be too perfect. Come on, our man like you end up with somebody like me. So, Chris, I'm gonna ask you a question. I want you to answer me truthfully. If me and your assignments, why you stay with me?